How to set the always on display lock screen to show for new notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on always on display. Tap on the left hand side panel. Next, go down and tap on when to show. And from here, tap on for new notifications. So select the options. And after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And if I go back to my lock screen, you can see the lock screen, the always on display lock screen is turned off. When you receive new notifications, then the always on display screen returns on. So that can be a battery saving feature, so that the screen doesn't always need to stay on, but it will turns on when it receives new notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.